Many teachers are used to sending prepared teaching materials to students during class to do tasks, and have students submit finished works after finishing. Now, with the objectified function of HiTeach, there are even more ways to do tasks. First, after start lesson in HiTeach, import your presentation into HiTeach, and make sure the students have completed the WebIRS connection. Then, click this icon to send the current page to the student in the form of an object-based page. Students can then move the object on the page or click on the hyperlinks. And this function is even better for tasks. For example, if the teacher starts a picture collection task and then sends an object-based page, students can freely move and edit the objects in WebIRS to complete the task. The above is today's introduction. We welcome you to experience HiTeach's object-based features and feel the convenience of smart teaching together. If you want to learn more about this function, click the link in the description below or scan this QR code. See you in the next video.